How to count the number of a specific word inside an Excel cell. Hello everyone, welcome to Excel 10 tutorial. In this Excel tutorial for beginners, I'm going to show you how you can count a specific word inside a cell. Okay, now I'm going to use formula for this and let's get started. Take a look at the cell A1. I have a paragraph here and I want to know how many times I have written the word Excel inside this cell. Okay, now let's write the formula in cell C1. I'm going to write the formula, and here this is the formula. Okay, now if I write something in cell B1, let's write here Excel, press enter. Now it's showing 6. That means the word Excel has appeared 6 times inside this cell. Okay, now remember this is case sensitive, so everything in here is in lowercase. If I write here EXCEL, take a look at here, the first alphabet is in capital letter, and if I press enter, and you can see it's showing 0. So that means it's case sensitive, but it will show you how many times the word you have used inside a cell. Okay, now let's write here if, all in lowercase, and you can see 1. If I write here is, you can see 5. Now if I write here not, and you can see. So this is how you can find out how many times a specific word you have written inside a cell. This is important for a lot of online professionals, and this is how it should be done. And the formula will be in the video description. Please copy that from there, and you can also check out the formula from the screen. Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial. If you can, support the channel through Patreon and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.